Today, I'm here to address the issue of having scent in your washroom. That is, the scent will be coming from your biodigester and how to get it resolved, or initially preparing a very good digester so that you will be free from scent or bad odor from your digester. Just watch to the end. And before then, since we have been educating you with these things, why not subscribe, like, and comment? Like, subscribe, and comment. Having been in this industry for about 7 years now, we have had many experiences as to how we go about issues of biodigester. People will be complaining we are having scent and other stuff. Look at what I am here to bring before you. So, to address the issue of the scent, most plumbers try to put vents at the back of the building or on the digester. One experience that I want to share with you guys is that uh, mostly and most often it has been the fact that when your wastewater, that is the filtrate, has not been able to sink early or sink fast into the land, that is when you will be experiencing scent, so much scent in your biodigester or in your washroom after doing biodigester. So you see the distance between the digester itself and the sockaway is, in fact, somebody would say it is okay, but I will tell you that it is not okay. It is too short. So supposing you did such as short as this digester is, I will say that you have to take another drench that start from the sockaway, that is the sockaway that we laid blocks on, to about 10 feet away, uh, 10 feet away. So that will solve the problem of the scent. If you have not watched our previous videos where we enlightened people about how you can do your drench, you go back to my videos, the videos that I have done previously, and you will get to know how to do a powerful and a well drainage drench. That is where you will lay your pipes from the digester to a sock hole. And this one, since we laid blocks for the sock away, we are now going to take the drench from the sock away to a different sock hole as we have done it in the video. So it will be from the sock away to a sock hole, and that will be the drench. And you may even do it without a sock hole. That is, when you take the drench, you will cut under below the 4 inches pipe so that the pipe will allow water or the filtrate to drain into the land, and it will all get the digester emptied without water, and it will solve your issue having scent in your digester. Wait. Please subscribe, click on the subscribe button, the notification bell, and like before leaving our page, because we will bring more updates and more education to you. Bye bye.